Connectwise versus Salesforce 2025, which CRM platform is best? Most people get CRM comparisons wrong by focusing only on features, but choosing between Connectwise and Salesforce in 2025 comes down to your business needs. You won't believe what happens next. Each platform caters to different industries and scales. Connectwise is built primarily for its service providers and managed service providers (MSPs). Its strength lies in ticketing, project management, and integrated service tools. You can manage clients, track service requests, and even automate recurring tasks. The surprising truth is that Connectwise integrates its specific workflows seamlessly, making it a full-stack solution for tech-focused businesses. Salesforce, on the other hand, is a general-purpose CRM platform used across industries. Its strength is customization, scalability, and robust analytics. With Salesforce, you can manage sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, customer service, and more. Its AppExchange ecosystem allows for thousands of integrations, making it flexible for any business that needs a highly configurable CRM. Pricing is another key difference. Connectwise typically charges based on the number of seats and modules, making it cost-effective for teams. Salesforce can be more expensive, especially when adding advanced features, but it offers unmatched versatility for growing businesses with complex needs. In conclusion, choose Connectwise in 2025 if you're a focused company needing service management and ticketing. Choose Salesforce if you need a scalable, highly customizable CRM that fits a wide range of business processes. The right choice depends on your industry, team size, and workflow requirements.